today we will discuss a chapter of your silver thread, that is the Bengal Sellers, and it is written by Sarojini Naidu. So today you read the Bengal Seller. So what is the topic? The Bengal Seller. What does the Bengal Seller mean? Have you ever seen bangles, different colors, bangles and silent bangles? What your mother has at your home, and your mother, your sister wearing always, and these are the bangles. And we will see also here some pictures that are located. These are the bangles. Look at, okay, different colors bangles. And Bengal Seller means who sells bangles. It means moving door to door, and at our street, that is called Bengal Sellers. Okay, so Bengal Seller always sells bangles, woman and girl. Okay, so here student, the poet of this poem is Sarojini Naidu. And before we go to the poem, we have to know about her. Okay, so look at Sarojini Naidu was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad and died on 2nd March 1929 in Lucknow. The Bengal Seller celebrates colorful bangles and the lives of Indian women. It means bangles always are related to the woman, or here the poet describes the Indian women. It means in India, girls, ladies and women are always interested, always wearing bangles. When you go to out of our country, you can't see more that women or girl are wearing this. Okay, so here student, this story, this poem, The Bengal Sellers by Sarojini Naidu, is the celebration of Indian womanhood and different stages of a woman's life, represents through the symbolic color of glass bangles. And here student, Sarojini Naidu describes in this poem about Indian women and their lives, and how bangles are related to their life, and what different color of bangles represent for their lives. Okay, so next book. Here is stanza 1 and 2. So the bangle sellers are carrying their shining bangles to sell at the temple fair. It means where are bangle sellers carrying their bangles to sell? No, to the temple fair. It means at the temple fair. Okay, they ask who will buy this beautiful, delicate, rainbow colored bangles. It means when bangle seller sells the bangles by calling, okay, beautiful, delicate, rainbow and rainbow colored bangles, who will buy? Okay, who will buy these bangles? By this process, the bangle seller sell the bangles. Okay, and here they call the bangles lustrous token of radiant lives, mean for happy daughters and happy wives. It means, what is the meaning of lustrous tokens of radiant lives? Now the bright colorful bangles are sign symbols represented with the happy, vibrant and joyful lives of Indian women. So these bangles always represent the happy life, the beautiful life and vibrant life of Indian women. Okay, so student here, okay, now the stanza 2 talks about bangles made for young girls and maiden who are unmarried and unmarried women. Some bangles are silver and blue like mountain mist. Look at this picture, mountain mist. It means it is a mist color. Mist means a light weight fog. Fog, it is heavy. When winter morning, you can see fog, and its light fog is called mist, like this, bluish and grey. The combination of blue and grey, it is the color, and this bangle also bangle sellers sell. And some bangles are silver and blue like mountain mist, and showing purity and calmness. So this type of color, just like mist and silver color bangles, always represent the purity and calmness, okay, of the Indian woman. And some are pink, like birds and bloom near a peaceful forest stream. Near a peaceful forest stream, it means the bank of the forest stream. Stream means the water source, and there the birds, pink color birds are blooming, and they are ready. These birds are ready to bloom, okay, and become pink flowers. The pink color always symbolize, it means pink color birds that bloom near peaceful forest stream. So showing new dreams. All the pink color birds always showing new dreams. Okay, and some are green and glowing like new leaves showing freshness and youth. And some colors are just like some are green also glowing like new leaves. Okay, have you ever seen new leaves? At the different green, it is light color green, and the old leaves are deep green, and the new leaves are light color green. And this type of bangles always shows that, always represent that freshness and youth. Okay, it always shows that freshness and youth. It means when, according to Sarojini Naidu, when someone wears green color, light green color bangles, it gives the freshness and keep that person fresh and youth always. Okay, and here, so these bangles represent the innocence, beauty and dreams of young girls. These bangles, just like light color green bangles, represents the innocence, okay, beauty and dreams of young girls. So next, stanza 3 says that it is about bangles for brides. Do you know brides and grooms? Bride and groom. It means what? In Hindi that is dulha and dulhan. Right? So it means bride means a girl who is going to marry, and groom means a what? Man. It means a young man who is going to marry. Okay, and here, so what happened? Some bangles are golden like sunlit cornfield. Okay, cornfields, sunlit. Look at this picture. It is looking yellowish and combination of green and yellow. And yellow, it means golden color, comes from a song, and there is the cornfield. That's why there is green. So this combination of the color is called sunlit cornfield color. Okay, and sunlit cornfields, perfect for a bride and her wedding morning. On her wedding morning, brides who wear this type of color bangles. Okay, and here some are red. Some brides wear red colored bangles also. Some wear sunlit color, sunlit cornfield, just like combination of golden and green or yellow and green color, and some wear red color bangles. Okay, and here student, some have the color of her heart's desire. The bangles are tinkling. You know, have you ever seen the tinkling or clinking sound of bangles at your home when there is your mother? Okay, when our mother is working, and that time we can listen the clicking sound of bangles. Okay, and here Sarojini Naidu describes that sound is also gives us happy and gives us pleasure. Okay, and here look at now this clinking sound, bright, soft and clear, just like a bride's laughter and even her emotional tears on the wedding day. And this shows that the emotions and the laughter of a bride on her wedding day. And they represent love, joy, new beginnings and the excitement of marriage. And these bangles, these color of bangles always represent love, joy, new beginnings and the excitement of marriage. It means when a bride wears this type of bangles and starts her life journey, it means marriage life, and there should be the excitement and happiness and what? Now new beginning, it means actually it begins newly and it happens through these bangles. Who says this? The poet of this poem. And last stanza is about bangles for middle-aged women. Okay, at first some young girls wear bangles, different color of bangles. Then bride wears different color of bangles we discussed. And the last one, just like your mother, when a woman at the age of 40 or above 40, so which color suit or will suit her or suitable for her? Look at now, middle-aged women. These bangles are purple and gold with great flecks. Okay, what? Now purple and gold with grey flecks. Flecks means a small pieces of something, grey color. You can say some shining things. What bangle sellers or who is the maker or producer of the bangles using this type of flecks, golden, grey, silver, green, different types of flecks and small pieces used in bangles. Okay, for good looking. But here grey flecks, here describes about grey flecks. It means tiny pieces of something and used in the bangles. Okay, and they are a woman who is in the middle of her life journey. And this type of bangles like purple gold with grey flecks are suitable for a woman who is in the middle of her life journey. Why? Now she has raised and loved her children. Okay, served her family with pride and worship God beside her husband. And after 40, women are very responsible for their family. Okay, and what type of responsible? She has raised and loved her children and served her family with pride and worship God also beside her husband. One thing here, always women wear bangles for the good sign for her husband in India especially. Okay, and here student, these bangles represents maturity, sacrifice, responsibility and the peaceful, fulfilling stage of women's life. What do you understand here? Now represent maturity. Yes, when a woman becomes 40 and above 40, she becomes responsible, very responsible, and maturity, and her mind also matures properly, and sacrifice everything for the children, for the husband, and for the family members. Responsibility also, that woman takes responsibility of her family at that moment. What is responsibility? She can understand at the age of 40 and after 40. And peaceful. And that woman also wants peace when everyone goes to outside, goes to office and goes to anywhere they workplace. That time, that woman also wants peace. And in families also, without disturbance, she always wants peace. Okay? And fulfilling stage of women's life. The woman's life is very beautiful, and always woman wants peace and fulfilling everything. And that bangles, it means what? Purple gold with grey flecks shows all these things. Okay, and it is your poem, and I have some questions for you. We will discuss and write in our copy. So who are the bangle sellers selling their bangles to? The bangle they are selling, or bangle sellers are selling their bangles to maidens, it means unmarried women, brides, it means who is ready to marry, and middle-aged women, just like our mother or your mother at the temple fair. Thanks to Sarojini Naidu also for her beautiful poem. Okay, so you will write all this in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.